What if your server crashes tomorrow? Would your backup still be safe? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a secure backup destination in CloudRaptor. CloudRaptor lets you store backups outside your server using remote destinations like S3, Google Drive, or local storage. This adds an extra layer of protection for disaster recovery. Go to the Backup and Restore tab, then click on Destinations. This is where you can configure a new backup storage location. Start by giving your destination a name, something easy to recognize like My S3 Bucket. Then choose your storage type. For most users, S3 or cloud storage is the best choice for reliability and scalability. If you select S3 or cloud storage, CloudRaptor supports providers like AWS S3, DigitalOcean Spaces, Backblaze B2, Wasabi, MinIO, and other S3 compatible services. Enter your bucket name and region. If you're using a non-AWS provider like Wasabi or MinIO, you'll also need to add a custom endpoint. Then enter your access key and secret key. Alternatively, you can enable Use Existing AWS Credentials to reuse saved credentials from your settings. Once everything is filled in, click Add Destination to save your configuration. Your new destination will appear in the list and can now be selected when creating manual or automatic backups. This means your backups are safely stored outside your server, protecting your data even in worst-case scenarios. Setting up a remote backup destination is a simple step that can save you from major data loss. Make sure to configure it today.